Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying hardware quickly so you don't chase software ghosts. First, test the SD card and reader on another device to confirm physical health. Once done, remove the reader, restart Windows 10, and then reinsert the reader. This forces a fresh hardware detection. Next, open Device Manager and expand disk drives and universal serial bus controllers. You'll need these views for the targeted fixes that follow, because driver state and power settings are where Windows often fails to remount an SD device. You now address the common software culprits, drivers and power management. Right-click the SD reader entry and choose Update Driver. If automatic fails, pick a compatible driver manually to avoid mismatches. If updates don't work, uninstall the device. Only delete driver files if you know they're corrupted, and then scan for hardware changes to force reinstall. Also open Power Options, edit the active plan, and disable USB Selective Suspend. Make sure each USB root hub's power management box is unchecked, because Windows often. To finish, verify the card appears in Disk Management. If it lacks a drive letter, assign one so Windows Explorer can access it. If the card shows as RAW or has errors, run chkdsk/f on the drive to repair file system issues, or backup and reformat if recovery fails. If the reader still doesn't appear, check BIOS or UEFI for onboard card reader settings and try a powered USB hub. This restores stable power. If everything fails, try another reader. Many faults are hardware, not Windows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.